The factory reset is used to return all the keypad's configurations back to default settings. To perform a factory reset, click on the Program key. Then, scroll down to Factory Reset and confirm your selection by clicking on the Select key. The system will warn that doing so might render the SPA inoperable. To move forward from that screen, press and hold the Confirm button for 5 seconds. After a reset, the keypad might ask to reconfigure some accessories, like audio devices. In our example, we need to select in-stream. To confirm audio device, click on the Select button. Once this reconfiguration is done, use the back key to return to main screen.